Whether you're an electronics hobbyist, student, or professional technician, having the right digital oscilloscope can make all the difference in analyzing signals and troubleshooting circuits. In today's video, we'll be counting down the top 5 best digital oscilloscopes you can get right now. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the HoldPeak Digital Oscilloscope. The HoldPeak Digital Oscilloscope is a versatile tool designed to make waveform analysis straightforward and efficient. Its auto mode allows for one-click automatic detection of both analog and digital signals, providing precise measurements that are ideal for quick troubleshooting in repair labs, classrooms, or field settings. This feature streamlines the process of identifying waveform characteristics without the need for manual adjustments, making it highly accessible for users at different skill levels. Equipped with a 250 kHz bandwidth and 2.5 ms per second real-time sampling rate, the oscilloscope captures detailed signal patterns, allowing in-depth analysis of low-frequency circuits, audio systems, and educational experiments. These specifications ensure professional-grade performance in a compact form, enabling accurate observations of complex waveforms. Portability is a key strength of the HoldPeak oscilloscope. Its 400 mAh built-in lithium battery provides up to 3 hours of continuous operation, while its lightweight 100-gram body and compact design make it convenient for on-the-go testing in workshops or outdoor fieldwork. Users can easily carry it to different testing environments without compromising on functionality. Displaying waveforms on a 2.8-inch HD screen, the HoldPeak oscilloscope offers crisp visuals with clearly labeled parameters. Its user-friendly interface includes intuitive buttons for selecting trigger modes, adjusting vertical and horizontal scales, and performing one-touch calibration. This design ensures that even complex measurements are easy to interpret, providing both clarity and convenience for professional and educational use. Overall, the HoldPeak Digital Oscilloscope combines accuracy, portability, and user-friendly operation in a compact instrument suitable for a wide range of electronics testing and learning scenarios. Coming in at number 4, we have the Tooltop 2CH Digital Oscilloscope. The Tooltop 2CH Digital Oscilloscope is a versatile instrument designed for precise signal analysis across a range of applications. Equipped with a real-time sampling rate of 250 MSA per second and an 80 MHz analog bandwidth, this two-channel oscilloscope captures detailed waveform data with professional accuracy. Its intuitive interface displays key functions, measurement status, and step-by-step prompts, making operation straightforward even for users new to digital oscilloscopes. The device features an auto measure function that enables one-key automatic waveform measurement, zero correction, and display, streamlining the process of capturing accurate data. The 2.8-inch TFT color screen offers 320 by 240 resolution with adjustable LED backlight, ensuring clarity under varying lighting conditions. Power is supplied by dual 18650 lithium rechargeable batteries, which support 15-watt fast charging and deliver up to 10 hours of continuous use, making the oscilloscope suitable for extended fieldwork. PC software integration allows for advanced functions, including timing measurement, waveform plotting, FFT transformation, and comprehensive waveform analysis. An innovative waveform preview window provides a complete view of the signal being measured, improving workflow and analysis efficiency. The Tooltop oscilloscope also incorporates panel calibration technology to maintain highly accurate measurements without manual potentiometer adjustments. Its multifunctional design supports 3 trigger modes: auto, normal, and single, along with relative value, data hold, afterglow selection, self-calibration, and cursor functions. These features make the oscilloscope adaptable to a variety of tasks, including automotive diagnostics, electrical maintenance, and power system monitoring. Compact, efficient, and user-friendly, the Tooltop 2CH Digital Oscilloscope is a reliable tool for both professional and educational environments. At number 3, the Zoyi ZT-703S Digital Oscilloscope. The Zoyi ZT-703S digital oscilloscope is a versatile instrument designed for electronics enthusiasts, technicians, and engineers who require a reliable tool for a wide range of measurements. Featuring dual-channel capabilities, this oscilloscope can analyze pulse waves, circular waves, noise waveforms, and more. When encountering unknown waveforms, the auto-automatic recognition function identifies them efficiently, with recognition time depending on waveform complexity. This makes it easier to quickly understand signal behavior and enhances overall measurement efficiency. In addition to oscilloscope functions, the ZT-703S also operates as a multimeter, offering up to 25,000 counts and the ability to measure resistance, capacitance, continuity, diodes, and current. Its multifunctional design ensures accurate readings across diverse electronic applications, making it suitable for both professional and hobbyist use. The device provides two operating modes. In normal mode, it delivers a 200 MSA per second sampling rate and a maximum bandwidth of 30 MHz, prioritizing energy efficiency. Switching to high-speed mode increases the sampling rate to 280 MSA per second with a 50 MHz bandwidth, supporting more demanding measurement requirements. A storage depth of 128K ensures adequate data retention for detailed waveform analysis. For more advanced applications, the ZT-703S includes a signal generator mode, allowing users to output sine, square, triangle, and other waveforms. These waveforms can be displayed synchronously in the demonstration window, facilitating easy observation and comparison. The oscilloscope also supports storing waveform images for reference or documentation. The Zoyi ZT-703S combines precision, versatility, and practical design, serving as an all-in-one solution for electronics testing, waveform analysis, and signal generation, making it a valuable addition to any electronics toolkit. In the second spot, we have the Aneng AOS04 digital oscilloscope. The Aneng AOS04 digital oscilloscope is a versatile and compact tool designed for both professional and hobbyist electronics work. It allows users to measure waveforms with either automatic or manual testing, providing flexibility in capturing and analyzing signals. Users can set parameters such as predicted waveform voltage, time base, and cursor position, enabling precise control over measurements and adjustments. One of its key features is the comparison of waveform detection. By connecting a signal generator, the oscilloscope can adjust and compare waveforms, helping users identify issues and perform detailed analysis efficiently. The device supports direct lithium battery charging with a 3.7V 2500 mAh battery using a Type-C cable. The charging indicator conveniently turns red during charging and switches off when fully charged, providing clear visual feedback. The oscilloscope also features one-click control for data storage. Users can save up to 9 sets of waveforms by pressing the back button, and long pressing allows quick access to previously saved waveforms. This function simplifies workflow and makes it easy to review data. Equipped with a high-definition screen and a main control chip, the Aneng AOS04 delivers a stable, sensitive, and intelligent measurement experience across multiple scenes. Long pressing the Select button opens the menu settings, which include options for the Settings menu, Parameter menu, System menu, and Calibration, offering a comprehensive interface for users to customize their measurement environment. With its combination of portability, ease of use, and precise waveform analysis capabilities, the Aneng AOS04 digital oscilloscope is an efficient tool for anyone looking to monitor, analyze, and troubleshoot electronic signals with confidence. And finally, at number 1, we have the Fnirsi Fnirsi 2C23T digital oscilloscope. The Fnirsi 2C23T digital oscilloscope is a versatile and compact instrument designed for precise electronic measurements and waveform analysis. Equipped with a built-in function signal generator, it offers 7 types of DDS signals with adjustable frequency, amplitude, and duty cycle, making it suitable for a wide range of testing and experimentation. The oscilloscope supports extensive measurement capabilities, including AC/DC voltage and current, capacitance, resistance, diode testing, and simple on-off checks, providing a comprehensive toolset for electronics enthusiasts, students, and professionals alike. Safety and reliability are central to its design, with a built-in high-voltage protection module allowing secure measurements of peak voltages up to plus 400 volts. The device also features a long standby time of up to 6 hours, ensuring it remains ready for use whenever required. Its high-resolution 2.8-inch LCD display with a 320 by 240 resolution delivers clear and precise visualization of waveforms, making signal observation and analysis effortless. Additionally, the Fnirsi 2C23T integrates energy oscillation and a virtual frequency generator, enhancing its functionality for complex electronic experiments. Its compact design, combined with advanced features, makes it an ideal tool for laboratory work, field testing, or educational purposes. Whether for hobbyists experimenting with circuits or professionals performing detailed diagnostics, this oscilloscope delivers versatility, clarity, and safety in a single portable package. This model represents a balance of modern technology and practical usability, catering to users who require accurate measurement, visual clarity, and dependable performance in a compact form factor.